have come to a very good closure this evening. We know that you are with us, and everything that is going to happen here, we know you are part of it. We want to commit the process into your hands. Take absolute control. We thank you in the name of Jesus. We have prayed. Amen.
Amen. And Christine, and come safely. We want to install you as a chief, so that anytime you come here, you know that you are part of us. So I'll hand everything over to Kontihini, and then our Nana Elder to perform the ceremony, and then you will be part of us. So you are Ankobia, you are Nkoswo, you are also Ankobia on the women's side, and you are Jassy. So these are your names. So if you accept, we're going to give you date. So you found Dr. Nana Ankobia Wale.
Hi, Nana. Doctor. Hi, Doctor. Nana.
Nana Ankobia Wale.
Doctor Nana
Ankobia
Wale Idris.
Do hereby swear.
Do hereby swear with my heart and mind
And when you call me,
when you call me,
yes,
Nana Otulate, any time of the day, any type of weather,
as I have been installed and Kobia Hene
as I have been installed on Kobia Ene
under the kingdom of Nana Otu Latte,
under the kingdom of Nana
I will be
Otulate,
prepared to come any time.
I will be prepared
or night.
to come morning, afternoon, or
Except
night,
in sickness,
except
I'm prepared to come.
except in sickness.
I'm prepared
I am prepared
to be at your service.
to be at your service
Thank you.
at any call of duty.
So help me God.
So help
So
me God.
help me God.
So help me God.
Bro.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
What is your powder?
What's the atadre? And they at it then, one you so, and at it then, atadre, and at it then, atadre, atadre for you, and at it then, atadre, atadre for you, and at it then,
God, it's not.
I,
I,
Nana,
Nana,
Kosor, Hene,
Ekoso, Nene,
Gregory Keith,
Gregory Kiss,
do hereby swear
do hereby swear
by this sword
by this sword
that any time that I am called to the service of Nana Otu, the Otu Latte's kingdom,
that any time I'm called to the service of Nana Otularte's kingdom,
I'm prepared to come whether morning, day, or night,
I am prepared to come whether morning, day, or night,
except in times of sickness.
except in times of sickness.
So help me God.
So help me God.
So turn the sword down and close. Make it close. That's right.
Atade, atade, atade for you, atade, atade for you, atade,
We might. Rosie.
I,
Rosie,
Rosie,
Add your name.
Rosie DeJean,
I, Nana,
Nana,
Ankobia Hima,
Kobia Hima,
Rosie DeJean,
Rosie DeJean,
do hereby swear
do hereby swear
that I'll be in the service of Nana Otu Latte.
That I will be in the service of Nana Otu Lotte.
And that I will be prepared,
That I will be prepared,
if called, whether in the morning,
if
noon,
called,
or night,
morning, noon, or night,
to serve the kingdom of Nana Otu Latte.
to service the kingdom of Nana Otu Lotte.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Now, look at the sword and do a cross. Yeah.
I,
Mention your name.
Juan José Pineda,
Consequent
Pineda?
Ginela. Nana Consequent Ginela. Do hereby swear
Nana Juan José Pineda, do hereby swear
to Nana Otu Latte
to Nana Otu Latte
that being appointed as the Jasi Hene of Nana Otu's kingdom.
that being appointed as Jasi
Jasi Hene of Nana Otu's kingdom.
sorry?
I being appointed as Jasi
As being appointed as
Jasi
Jasi
Hene
Hine
of Nana Otu's kingdom.
of Nana Otu's kingdom,
Do hereby swear
do hereby swear
that whether when I'm called, whether in the morning, noon, or in the night,
that when I'm called, whether in the morning, noon, or night,
I am prepared to appear
I'm prepared to appear
except in circumstances of sickness.
except in circumstances of sickness.
So help me God.
So help me God.
So now do it. God make a cross. Thank you.
Nana, you have made an impression on us. On me personally, ever since we met. I can attest to it that all my colleagues and friends have been so impressed with your hospitality and your generosity. We cannot thank you enough. We know in our heart that we're committed, and you can count on us to accept this great honor that you've bestowed on us. I, as Nana and Kobia Ene, Dr. Wale Idris Hajibadi, commit my heart to the service of our vision and beyond. And I speak on behalf of all of us that you have great friends and great colleagues and great soldiers behind you. We're going to do everything that it takes in our heart and our capacity to do absolute best and justice to the vision. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you, everybody.
We were trying to save time by only letting you represent. But I have got a feeling that everyone of you will want to say something. So please, Gregory.
Well, okay, maybe just quickly. I mean, this is a big surprise, and one of the nicest surprises I can remember.
That's right.
And you know, I think these days in this world that families are kind of falling apart and connections between people are dissolving, really, and that's a bad thing. You know, that's a bad thing for everybody. And so this beautiful gesture of welcoming us into your special family is really very meaningful and very appreciated. And we
Colleagues, friends, family. I now call you family. I thank you for welcoming me into your kingdom, into your family, into your lives. It was not what I expected. It is beyond my wildest imagination. Coming here, I do believe I am the first in my entire family to come to Africa. My family comes from Haiti. We are part of the Tainos.
That's right.
Yes, indigenous people
That's
in
right.
Haiti. I was born in the States, but Africa has always been in my heart. I've always felt that I was not part of that world. This world was my world, and this is where I belong, and I find my way home. Thank you for welcoming me.
I feel overwhelmed, and you know that I cry easily. But since the first moment I have feel very welcome, and now I feel that that we are family, with all that means. So thank you so much.
Now we have to.
That come together with the king, so that they will liaise together to make all the necessary arrangements that will make the town or the kingdom grow. That's that to cut it short. So there's always a constant flow of information between the Nkoso Hene and the elders of the stool. Not only the chief, but not only the king, but the elders of the stool. So the kingdom of Nana is the organizer of every event that goes on around the kingdom. He makes sure that before Nana goes out or presents himself outside the palace, all the necessary arrangements have been made up to his own appearance, even as he goes out. So it's a combination of protocol and then, personal assistant to Nana, so that nothing will get amiss as Nana gets into the public.
Dr. Nana and Kogawa know very well that before we scheduled this meeting in Ghana here from African Union, it was a very short notice. And then I could not do anything to change time. Nothing I could do than to receive them anyhow it is. So I'll plead with you, wherever didn't go well, forgive me. I know I've done my best, but I wouldn't know if something is not wrong or somewhere, and forgive me. I thank you all for coming. And I said that because it was a short notice. That's why I could not take you to where my kingdom is. And I don't want you to get too much tired, because going there alone is 7 hours in, 7 hours out. So you can't take one day to make a return there. Next time when you are coming, as soon as now we plan it properly, when you land at the airport straight, I'll take you there. Before we come back, they all know you. And then before you come back to do anything you have to do. So whatever program or planning we are going to do in future or schedule ourselves into it, we need to schedule traveling to Domahinko and Boma Junase. Should be part of the program. Thank you all for coming. Thank you everybody here. Long life for us all. Amen. Amen. So now we finish. Mr.